today I'm going to demonstrate marketplace connections via Shopify. This is really beneficial to you and your customers as it means that their orders are instantly uploaded onto Clarus automatically. This means no CSV imports or manual data entry. Okay then, so let's jump in. So the first thing that I'm going to do is go to settings and then integrations. I'm going to scroll down to all of my integrations that are available within the connection, and I'm going to find Shopify. There are then a couple things that I need to set up with the integration. So I'm going to set in my integration name. I then need to go and get my host name. So you get this from Shopify itself, and it is the first part of our store name at the top there. So I'm going to copy that and paste it there. I'm then going to select my account and the warehouse that I want to distribute from. The integrations that I have set up previously are selectable. Carrier mapping pulls through the carriers from Shopify on the sales order. Integration product mapping pulls through the products so that they're all set up and available within Clarus. And then the shipping rate mapping allows us to select the specific service. So whatever service your customer has ordered, whether that's next day delivery or 48-hour tracked, that is what pulls through that information from Shopify. So I can then connect my Shopify account. So I'm going to press connect, and you can see at the top here that the connection has been made and it is now connected. So now the connection has been made, I'm going to jump over to my mapping groups and just check that they have automatically mapped. So I've gone to product mapping groups, and I can see that my supply chain mug and supply chain keyring have the product code in Clarus, and they also have mapped to the product codes in Shopify. Now that has been confirmed, I can jump over to Shopify and create my sales order. So I'm going to order one of each. So now I'm going to create myself as a customer to get the order delivered to myself. And you can see my customer details on the right hand side. I'm then going to mark it as paid. When it's marked as paid, that will then send the order through to Clarus, and we'll be able to see this within our sales order section. So now that my sales order has been created in Shopify, I can jump back to Clarus. You can see that my sales order from Shopify has automatically pulled through into Clarus. I can jump into this and check that it is the correct one. So you can see my test carrier has been pulled through from my Shopify order. You can see that I've got an order of one keyring and one mug. So that's all correct. I can then press save and process picks and jump through into my pick list. The next steps that I'm going to do would typically be done by a warehouse user in the warehouse floor using his handheld device. So he'll be going around and picking into a tote. So I'm going to pick into my red tote 1 and complete my picks. I'm then going to get some pack instructions so I can then pack my items into a box. So you could use the HHD for this, or you could use the packing desk functionality. Now that the pack instructions have been completed, you can see that a shipment has automatically been created. So I can submit this, and this is going to print me off a courier label. So if I refresh this, you can then see that it's been created and I have been given a tracking number. I can then dispatch my parcel when the couriers come to collect it. Okay, now the parcel has been dispatched in Clarus, I can jump over to my Shopify store, and you can see instantly that it's been marked as fulfilled. This means that the completion message from Clarus has been sent to Shopify, and you can also see that the tracking number has been sent through as well. That's how easy it is to get connected with our marketplace integration. If you need any help or support, then please feel free to reach out to our support team and we'll help get you connected. Thanks for watching.